Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, this is our value education class, and this is your value education book. Take out your value education book. Take out the first lesson. The name of the lesson is Having Self Control, a story of a tortoise. What we are going to learn today? Having self control. Let me see. We will learn the self-control means the ability to check our words, temper, feelings, desires and action. What is self-control? Self-control means it is the ability to check our words, what we are talking, the temper and the feelings, what we feel, the desires and actions. So, what the self-control means? It is the ability to check our words, temper, feelings, desires and actions. The self-control prevent us from hurting others and help us to avoid troubles. What the self-control does? The self-control prevent us from hurting others. It prevent us from hurting others and help us avoid troubles. The self-control is very essential for a civilized and disciplined life. If we want a civilized and disciplined life, if our life would be disciplined, so self-control is very essential for us. It is very important for us to be us to have a civilized and disciplined life. Now see here, think and do. Complete the words with the help of the clues given. Here are some clues given here. You have to read the clues and complete the word. Let's do it. An emotion which makes you very happy. An emotion which makes you very happy. What? This is a clue. You have to write the word here. Here one letter is there, Y. The word which end with Y. Which emotion makes you very happy? Joy. J O Y. Joy. Joy is the emotion which makes us very happy. It makes you want more and more. What makes you want more and more? Greed. If a person has a greed, then he want more and more. G-R-E-E-D. Greed. It makes you want more and more. It will never give you, it will never be enough for you. Greed. G-R-E-E-D. Greed. It will never make you, it will never make you happy. It will cause you more and more to have many things. They give invisible but painful wounds. What gives us invisible but painful wounds? What gives us invisible but painful wounds? If we have many hopes, like if we have many hopes of having many things, hopes gives you invisible but painful wounds. If you have many hopes which is not fulfilled, so it gives you invisible but painful wounds. So there should be hope, limited hopes should be there. There should be no more hopes. If we have more hopes, then it gives us invisible and painful wounds. Too long for something. Too long for something is begin. Begin. Begin means too long for something. What it begin means? It's to do something. That it means too long for something. Now Take out the next page. Here is a story. Time to read. The Talkative Tortoise. What is the story name? The Talkative Tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a tortoise named Kambugriva and two geese, Sankata and Vikata. Once upon a time, there was a tortoise named Kambugriva. The tortoise name was Kambugriva and the two geese. These are the two geese named Sankata and Vikata. The tortoise lived in a pond and he was great friends with the two geese. Where the tortoise lived? The tortoise lived in a pond and he was a great friends with the two geese. They are friends. They are the great friends. The geese used to come and visit him every day. What the geese does? The geese come daily to visit the tortoise. Kambugriva loved chatting with them. What the Kambugriva do? What the tortoise do? Tortoise love to chat with them. Love to chat with the geese. Because the tortoise was very talkative, so the tortoise loved to chat with them. He was very talkative and would chatter away endlessly with his friends. The tortoise was very talkative and would chatter and would chat with the and would chat with the geese endlessly with his friends. Time passed, the years rolled by. The friendship grew with every passing years. As the time passed, the years passed, the friendship grew every passing years. They become a great friends. Then came a year when it did not rain at all. Once the year came, there was no rain at all. All the rivers, lakes, ponds started drying up. All the rivers, lakes, ponds started drying up. There was not a drop of water to drink for the birds and animals. There was not a drop of water on the river, lake, ponds to drink for birds and animals. They began to die of thirst and the scorching heat. There was no water and the heat is heavy, and the animals and birds began to die of thirst and heat. Many of them decided to migrate to some other land. Many of the animals and birds decided to migrate to some other lands. What is migrate means? Moving from one place to another place. So they started to migrate from one place to another place. Kambugriva, Sankata and Vikata also decided to leave the pond. What the Kambugriva and Sankata and Vikata do? They also decided to leave the pond, which was fast drying up. Their pond also fast drying up. So they decided to leave the pond. They planned to go to a faraway lake that they had heard the other birds and animals talk about. The other birds and animals, what they are talking? They are talking that there is one more pond which is far away and has a water. They also plan to go there. This lake was supposed to be always full of clear blue water. That lake which is far away is always supposed to be full of clear blue water. But there was a problem. How would Kambugriva migrate to the lake? These geese are birds and they can fly and migrate from one place to another. But how the Kambugriva migrate? Because the tortoise walks more slowly, so how it could migrate from one place to another? He would not be able to fly like Sankata and Vikata. The Kambugriva cannot fly like a Sankata and Vikata. They, on the other hand, did not wish to leave their friends behind. What does Sankata and Vikata do? They decide not to leave his friend alone over there. They want their friends with them. They talked and discussed the problem for a long time. What they does? They talked about the problem for a long time.